This is water.
We live?
We're live, baby.
What's up, YouTube? We're live. We're out here, Lake Travis. Can we pan? Can we pan to the? They call it Devil's Cove. I think Joe Rogan's up there and Elon over there. And we ringing bell.
Ring it.
There you go. It's empty. So this is what we're on. It is windy as shit. All right, so y'all, we are here for Mr. Tony's birthday behind the camera, and then Cam, who's right there, and Cam's girl, Alex. So we got like a three-way birthday thing going on today. I got some updates I'll show y'all later. I know I want to talk about that. What do you got, man?
We got a community member. He was talking about joining the community for like 2 years. Recently joined the community, and I think he's made $2,000 in a total of 3 hours.
2,100 in 1.5 hours across 3 days, but 3 30-minute calls, paid in full, $7,000, 10% commission, 700, 1,400, 2,100 in 1.5 hours.
That's pretty insane.
That's wild. And he was selling roofs before. That shit sucks. Ask me. I knew about it.
This guy has sold roofs. I've never sold roofs, but he has.
Yo, we gotta get Cam in here. What's going on?
Beat Cameron in.
What's going on? Hold on, bro. Get me out of the frame. I'm gonna get mogged right now. Come on, man. Oh my God.
Hey, this is a long time community OG right here.
Yeah, we've been in the community about a year and a month now.
Yeah.
No, 2 months now. I joined in April, I believe.
Yeah.
A year and 2 months.
You guys probably know who Cam is. If you've been watching for a while, you've probably seen him a time or two.
Yep.
We gotta start working on the community, or just the meetup. It's not even a community thing, but it's gonna be badass this year, man. We got a bunch of community boys on here. Cam, Noah. That's it. Me, Tony. All right, tell us a little bit about what you were telling us about earlier, talking about good offer. What's going on? I haven't talked to you in a minute, actually.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's just hard. Like, high ticket sales is a great space to elevate your life. You're commission only, right? So you have to work your ass off. But to find a good offer, it's more so about the culture and the community that you surround yourself in. And that's why serial sales is so good, because the connections based off Dylan and his network and what he has. So as my time, it's been hard. Once I left my first offer, I went through a ringing, like the typical high ticket sales.
Yeah.
The typical high ticket sales. Find a good offer that is revenue generating. You have good cash flow. You have good leads and whatnot. So it's hard. Focus on your sales skills, on whatever offer you're on. Continue to progress. Prove yourself. Show that you're a hard worker. Show that you come up and show up every single day. And just continue to learn, network, and ultimately you're going to progress into a company or a community or a sales management. If you stick in high ticket sales long enough, you will find a position where you will $10,000 a month at minimum $10,000 a month. You'll be able to get the 20s, the 30s, and the 40s every single month. So I think the most important part about getting into high ticket sales right away is showing you're a hard worker. High ticket sales, everyone wants to come in and be like, yo, I just want to work 3 hours a day. Ultimately, that's not the reality. You might have to work a lot harder until you prove yourself and show up, get a name for yourself, and then you'll be able to set your own calendar. Shut off times for the gym, shut off times early and whatnot. And then 20,000 months, 20K months, I guess they say nowadays.
Put a K on it.
Put a K, and you're good. I mean, I'm with a company now where the standard's high, and yeah, you're good. Ultimate lead flow, webinars, good sales directors, training every single week. The standard is high. The standard, but ultimately, the standard for high ticket sales right now is super low.
Yeah.
It's super low. Like, compare, I'm not trying to gloat or like I'm not trying to be prideful, but standard for high ticket sales right now is super low.
Yeah.
And you can kill it if you're a hard worker, you can handle adversity, and you're coachable. That's about it. Really.
I've never met anyone who got into high ticket sales, didn't quit, and didn't make $10,000 a month. Like, I've never met anyone who's just perpetually never figured it out. Like, as long as you just keep pushing forward, it's a matter of time, honestly.
And it's not always about your skill set. That's the crazy thing. It's about who you are and your character. And that's why when you are recruiting people for your community, it's athletes, it's military members, it's people that have ran businesses before.
Oh yeah.
That's that sort of stuff. It's like it's characteristics. It's about who you are and where you want to go and how much are you willing to put in the work to get there. I think a false reality of high ticket sales, and sorry if this is being too harsh, is a lot of people just want it easy. And that's not the case. Like,
not easy.
It's not easy. It's not easy whatsoever, because if you're coming from tech sales job or whatever, it's completely different. Car sales, I've been on the phone with a lot of car salesmen. Not trying to be disrespectful, but you got to change the game a little bit.
Car sales is brutal, dude. Car sales is brutal. Of all the salespeople that I talk to, car sales dudes, while they might make some money, it is literally the most brutal type of sales.
Brutal.
The hours are crazy.
Hours are wild. I think it's just about your character, man. If you can learn and you can work hard and be personable, you can kill it. High ticket sales. Thanks to Dylan. Because of sales.
Because of sales. Because of sales moment right here. We gotta get a montage of some flips and some dives and shit.
I could do it like a watermelon.
Cam hits some fly shit sometimes.
I could do a watermelon.
What is that?
Where you just tuck your legs in and you go head first.
Just go for it. Show us. I'm a visual learner.
Alex, this was for you, honey.
Watermelon.
I'm gonna hit the fifth.
The fifth, hit the fifth.
Hey yo, let me show you something. When you join cereal sales, you become an absolute maniac of an athlete.
I'm a hybrid athlete.
Are we jumping in? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, I just want to point this out real quick. I wouldn't have bought this right here if it wasn't for cereal sales. This is like $3,000. I bought it all on commission. I wasted my money, but here we are having fun with it. Hey, Dylan, you want to jump in? I think it's time. Y'all ready? Hey, you coming? Is the camera coming? No, the camera's not coming.
I couldn't get it open, bro.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All alone, and it's you that I want.
I threw it out.
You threw what out?
I used to Xanadu nicotine, but I'm a lightweight.
That was the 3 milligrams.
It was, yeah.
I got 2 in right now.
Ew.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, now I'm ready to
He
play
said
some
put Bad Bunny on right now.
Cuando tú me besas, me siento en el aire.
We ready? No, no es amor lo que tú sientes. Será una obsesión, será ilusión.
sales.
Wow, what a boat trip. I gotta race like a piss horse. I stole that from Noah. Shout out Noah, man. We're about to go and we're gonna have a little chill rooftop spot. So, little context, we're moving out of our apartment complex. When I moved to Austin, I moved to this complex, been there for 2 years, absolutely changed my life. We're gonna move somewhere else, but tonight we're gonna have a little get together, some local Austin homies, sales homies, and it's gonna be a good time. All right, y'all, it's the next day. What do we do? Went to the boat, had a little nighttime activity, some pizza, some friends, some drinks, some dogs. It was cool. Now we're on the recovery. So Sunday morning, I got to run 10 miles. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but we're going to get it done. Good day. All those dudes on the boat, everyone on the boat was kind of like came together because of the whole remote high ticket sales thing. And a lot of those guys are doing different things. Some are still doing it, some are doing different things, but everyone's like built off of the high ticket stuff. So that was cool to see. I have some updates for you guys, just general YouTube videos. I like to throw out updates so you guys know what's happening. So we started sending out trophies for the community. We have trophies for 10K, 20K, and 30K months, and we customize them. We started this like 2 months ago. And honestly, I don't know, not everyone asks for their trophy. They have to ask for it and they have to show us proof, but we had our first 30K trophy. I don't know if we ordered it yet, but we have a 30K trophy going out. This dude was in insurance sales. He's like early 20s, was in insurance, came into high ticket, lives in Canada. I don't even think maybe it's been a year since he came in. And he went from closer to manager to managing multiple teams and just hit his first 30K month. And he had been doing like 10, 15 consistently. And this dude, if I had to guess, he's maybe 23 years old. So 23 years old, making 30 grand in a month, absolutely changes your life. Shout out my boy Josh, a dude that I spoke to for a year and a half through Instagram, had some calls, finally jumped into the community. He got on a new offer. First one wasn't really for him. Got on a new offer and in 3 days made $2,100. So really what that broke down to is 3 30-minute calls, $7,000 price point of a real estate coaching offer, 10% commission. So he closed 3 deals, $2,100 in commission in his first 3 days working from home. He came from roofing sales like me. He was in Florida. This time of year, Florida roofing sales, sweaty. So high ticket closing definitely beats that. Another thing, so because of sales, I posted this on my Instagram. We're growing. Newsletter has probably 1,400 subscribers. We're growing on all platforms. I have badass guests lined up for y'all. But I'm starting a trend. If you're on Instagram or Twitter, you may have seen me talk about it. What we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start posting just cool photos of things that we're doing, experiences, kind of full circle reflection moments, and then we're just gonna tag because of sales. When I say we, I mean, that's what I'm gonna do, and y'all should join me. We already had some people post photos of like some cool cars, trips to Italy. One guy was at the beach, I think in Mexico. No words, man, just say at because of sales, because whatever it is that you're taking a photo of, if it's something sick, something cool, something you worked really hard for, and sales helped you get there, because of sales, man, that's it. In the community, I guess last community update, I'm in the middle of refilming updated material, all of the tutorial walkthrough course material in there. And so once that's done, we're gonna be moving to a new platform. We're gonna be changing our pricing structure as well to offer some more like low, mid, and higher tier offers. So that's a work in progress. Just know, if you guys have talked with us and you wanted to join, maybe this was like 2 weeks ago, a month ago, 2 months ago, things are about to change. So don't be surprised when things look different when you decide to join down the line. So that's an update for you guys there. I think that's about it. You guys probably heard from Cam, who I think is crushing it right now. I think Noah Susong. Got some good footage of the guys, show you guys what life is like because of sales, because of high ticket sales. That's this video, honestly. So last ask of you guys. I post on every single social media platform, and if you're not following me on Instagram yet, 100% go follow me on Instagram. That's gonna be linked below. If you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Twitter, if you're on TikTok, like I'm on all those platforms. So go down below, follow me there. I post on all of them. Last thing is the personal newsletter. Maybe whenever I'm inspired and I have some free time, I like to write to a personal newsletter. So that's gonna be like the second link in the description. I don't know, man, I just write about sales jobs, wins, building businesses, doing cool stuff, building the life that I want, and helping other people do the same. Subscribe to that, it's free. Get like the most in-depth, long-form look into my mind and my brain and how I'm kind of doing things. So go down there, it's free. And that's the video, you guys. Thank you.